Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about shorts. I'm not talking about the exciting shorts because it's spring, summer. It's the other shorts that we all don't want. I think a lot of creators are having reservations around shorts because it just feels so much like Reels and TikTok, and we're all like,
why are you trying to be a different platform? Like, you're YouTube. Like, we like you just being YouTube, just like be yourself, you know?
Here's the thing, as long form creators, first of all, I have two problems with shorts just before everything. Here's the sentiment that I hear from a lot of people. I love creating long form videos. I want to create shorts, but I want to keep shooting long form. And then the second thing is the algorithm on YouTube shorts right now sucks. It feels kind of like a TikTok that doesn't understand my algorithm at all, like a not for you page, you know what I mean? Like, I get the most random videos in my feed for shorts, and I hope that they find a way to merge those two algorithms, because right now I feel like it's very competing, like the two algorithms are just competing. So the first thing we should keep in mind for shorts is that they're under a minute. 25 seconds to 45 seconds is a really good length. It's kind of like TikTok, where the longer it is, you have a larger chance of like having the viewer fall off because the video is just longer. So I work in Final Cut Pro, so I'll be showing you what I do to the video in Final Cut, but you can take these dimensions and all the tips and apply them to any editing platform or whatever you edit on. If you're working in Final Cut, this is how I do it. I right click on the project I want to adapt, and then I say duplicate project as. So it's basically the opposite of a widescreen. Select vertical and do a 1080 by 1920, which is a vertical. Press OK. And then you have your vertical project, and all you have to do is resize everything for that vertical space. Consider captioning. Captions help people consume your content when they're not hearing it, which is obviously great for accessibility. It's also great if people are in school or in work and they're trying to like listen to the video silently or watch the video silently. The only thing I would say when you're shooting your long form content, just make sure you're far enough back so you can actually crop yourself into a vertical. So, you see this fuzzy? That was God. So I hope that you learned a lot about shorts in this video. If you like these types of videos, I make videos every 2 weeks. So I will see you guys back here in another 2 weeks.